Hi guys, we're in my kitchen slash dining room, and we are going to be doing a doll review today. I know it's been a while, with the holidays and crazy with work and everything else. But I decided I'd do one before I go to work. I know it's like 3-something in the morning, but I have to be at work at 5, so I thought I got an hour before I had to get ready and everything. I thought I'd do a video for you guys. Okay, so I was at my Walmart, and I kept seeing this doll, and it looked interesting, but I kept passing it up. Yeah, because I was like, I saw different ones, so I decided to finally pick her up. Yes. Here she is. Yep. This is a Fidgy Friend. Forever Fidget Friends. This one is Watermellow. Is that what she called? Yeah. Watermellow. Yes. I dig the pink hair. Look at that pink hair. Isn't that so cool? So, let's get her out of the box. Well, let me read you something. It says, these friends will touch your heart. With their unique feel for fashion, these girls have the magic touch for the coolest outfits. Join the fashion fun and become forever fidget friends. Marshmallow changes her mind as often as she flips the shimmery scales of her mermaid tail. One day her favorite color is pink. The next day it is green. Watermellow will go along with any plans, since her plans always seem to change. It's made by Sunny Day. Okay. So, we will get her out of the box and see what she's all about. So, I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year's. And I hope the New Year's goes well for you. So, I say the New Year's is so far. Yeah. Well, she seems easy enough to take out. And it looks like there's some tape, of course. Okay. Alright. I guess that goes in her hair. Excuse me, I have this cough I can't get rid of. Yeah, she's held in by, but it's, you know me. That's right. Her and these conjunker things. And there seems to be more. Okay, parents, when you buy these, or whoever buys toys, just let me know. Okay. Use the jaws of life to get her out. Okay. Give me 1 second. Okay. So I gotta stand for her. Sorry. Okay. So, before I put her on the stand, let me just... Okay, let's talk about her. Excuse me. Oh. These are her fins. And they've got glitter in them. And it does kind of look like a watermelon. Yeah. Okay. I will say this. Her hair is super soft. Yes. Her hair is super, super soft. I mean, look at that. Yeah, it is a little frizzy when you take it out of the box, but that's okay. Some of it does come out. But other than that, she's super, super. And look at this face. I mean, how can you not like this face? Let me get a close look. I'm trying to get the light to show the face mark. Yeah, just look at that face. I like her eyes. Let's look at her eyes. They're so green. This is a cool face mold. And her hair. I mean, and see, she has no product in it. No. I don't know if you take this out, if she'll be bald. Which... Alright. Here's the deal, guys. If you take her out of the... If you take her little ponytail thing out... Alright. Yeah. She will be bald. But, hey. Just don't ever take her little ponytail thing out. It's too cute anyways. It comes like this. Look. Look how cute. Okay. And her outfit is so cute. I mean, does it come... Okay. What does she have underneath? Oh, okay. Nothing. But it does, I guess you could change your outfit maybe? I don't know. I don't know if eventually these will come in like fashion packs or something. Be cool. But, okay, let me fix her outfit. So parents, she is naked. She is naked underneath. Just letting you know. Yeah. So, she does not need to come out of her outfit. Okay. Okay. And she has these cute little bangle bracelets, chunky bracelet things. And I don't think they come off. But she is articulated at the elbow. Sort of. Yeah. And then she has more. I'm not exactly sure what her purpose is. But, I mean, her dress, if you go like this, I guess that's the fidget part. You can go from red to green, or pink. Yeah. Okay, so I got her at Walmart. Let me see if her head moves. It just twists. That's all you get. So, I mean, she gets this cute little ruffle thing. There is more in the series. I saw one that's supposed to be like a dandelion and something else, and yeah. Uh, so, I mean, for a little girl, she'd be cute. I mean, yeah. She's just, I'm not exactly sure what her purpose is. I mean, I understand she's, okay, everybody's big into those fidget things where you pop and all that other sensory stuff that you're supposed to do. You know, she is cute. I'll give her that. I mean, her hair, the color in her hair and stuff makes me think of cotton candy. It does. It is cute. You know, now she worth $20. That's, you know. Oh, she comes with this also. I'm not exactly sure what it's supposed to do. Oh. You open it, I guess. There's a little thing inside. I hope you can see that. Yeah. It's interesting. And there's something. I thought it was like a hair or something. There's, you can see it. Yeah, it looked like a hair or something on it, but it's not. I guess it's. I don't know what it is. But I guess this is supposed to go in her hair. Or maybe it's a purse. I guess maybe it's her purse. Or maybe it clips in her hair. Somehow. Okay. I'm not exactly sure. So, anyways, she's cute. Is she worth $20? That's up to you to decide. But I liked her. I mean, and will I be buying any more in the line? Probably not. I mean, there's one that's supposed to be like a dandelion, and there was kind of this purple-looking one, and yeah. She was the best one I liked. So, anyways. Well, guys, I mean, she is articulate. I mean, her arm does not bend that well, so, yeah. This is basically how she is, most of the time. Yeah. I don't know if she can go no. This is off plush. Yeah. So, she's cute. I'll give her that. If someone's into pink, Pink and green. There you go. Yeah. If you're into pink and green, pick her up. Alrighty, guys. Thank you for watching, liking, following, and all that good stuff. And sorry it's been so long since I've done a video. But I will be trying to do more videos. Okay. Best with the holidays and the crazy schedule and the shake-up at work and everything else. Things have just gotten a little crazy. But yeah, I am going to do my best to make more videos for you guys, okay? Thank you for watching, liking, following, and all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video real soon. Alright, bye for now. Mwah.